Crown brush 6-piece brush set. Brrr. Okay, crown brush 6-piece brush set. Let's do this again. Hey guys, so it's Jen. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. So it is fall, but here in Toronto, I kid you not, there's no fall. Little Toronto rant. My cousin actually gave me the idea to subscribe to a subscription box, and honestly Instagram also kind of like sprinkled their way into my brain as well, because I kept seeing ads on Instagram. But I did get the FAB FIT FUN box. I was late on the wagon, so I just got my box a few days ago, and I'm getting my winter box in like probably 2 weeks. And this box comes every season, so I'm just gonna open up my fall box. Usually with the boxes you can actually customize them, but because I was late and I didn't want to wait for the winter box, I just told FAB FIT FUN, like, yo, you make my box, I'm putting it all in your hands and hope for the best that I like it. So let's see what's in here. So the first thing I got in my box is actually an umbrella, which I do need, not gonna lie, because I really have those like cheap Dollarama ones that you'll use it and then in 2 seconds like it breaks and you can't like unfold it. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? I don't really care with superstitions, but whoa, okay, yes, girl. So it comes with the, I guess the automatic, no, non-automatic close. Okay, so it's an automatic open. Whoa, okay. Ah! Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, so it comes with an automatic open, but not an automatic close. And how the hell do you close this? There you go. Okay, next up, ooh, snack time. Luna bar. This one is in Rica, in salted caramel. Ooh, yes, girl. Love me some salted caramel. So this is definitely going in my school bag. But you got beauty blender. This alone is $20. Like 8 full-size items for the price of 1 box. So beauty blender, again, it's a must. Next, I have, oh geez, a lot of words. Okay, I have a Grown Ultramist Hydro Repair Day Cream in Blossom. Skincare, not gonna lie, I'm not a big like splurge person. I just go to my local face shop, but this will be nice to try. So it's free from skin aging toxins, sulfate, there's no artificial fragrance, blah blah blah, the parabens. Yeah, again, I'm not big into skincare. I feel like I should, but I'm not. I am so excited for these guys. So I peeked. But these guys are the Glam Glow masks. Both of these are $18, and they're the bubble sheet, which I saw all over Instagram and saw all over like celebrities and whatnot. I just want to see my face all puffed up. I've been totally into masks. Me and my like Snapchat group, we always have like this mask thing, like, oh, who's doing masks tonight? So the next one will probably this one. Okay, but there's tea towels. Probably going to give it to my mom. This is a cute kind of print, gray and white. My mom would probably just take it to the summer house, to be honest. So this is going to be for her. This alone is $15. This is a French press coffee maker. If you know me, I actually don't drink coffee at all. I'm very sensitive to it. Like if I drink it, I will have a bunch of energy. So for example, today I had an 8:30 class and I got half hot chocolate, half coffee, and I'm wired. Yeah, this is not even my full wiredness because I think it's like 4 o'clock right now, hence the lighting, but I needed to do it. But this is a French press coffee maker. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'd probably give it as a Christmas present. So my girls, this will probably be for you. This is, I'm guessing, a bath salt. Yes. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I'll try this. I've never tried bath bomb. I never tried bath salts. So maybe this will help me. I actually do have a bath, so might as well use it, especially with all this stress from exams. It really smells good. It smells like mint or like eucalyptus. Oh no, there's a hole. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to use this now because there's a hole. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, there you go. See, look at that hole. Oh, shoot. Okay. Next up, we have a shower gel, which everyone gets. So it is a blue in Capri. I guess that's the brand. Come on, focus. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be a typical YouTuber now. There you go. So it's a blue Capri shower gel. So I got the Crown Brush 6-piece brush set. So ever since YouTube, I've always heard about Crown and how they all love it. It's like, it was always with that like Sigma and like MAC. But, ooh, it comes with a case. Nice, nice. Ooh, let's see this. Okay. So it comes 6 brushes, so I'm guessing you have an angle brush, a shadow brush, a blending brush, a higher brush, I don't know, angled brush, and a powder brush. Ooh, she's soft. Oh yeah, she's soft. And it's like dense mills too, so it's nice. I like, so little things with me, it's always little things. So if you check out here, come on camera, don't make me do this. There you go. There's like this little indent. It's like perfect for your thumb. Ah! So that is it for the box that I got for fall 2018. I'm not gonna lie, probably the winter one will be up in like 2 weeks after this. I'm probably the last one to do a unboxing for the fall one, but I am gonna try my best and do the winter one ASAP. Again, if you want a discount on the FAB FIT Fun box, the link or the referral will be down below. And then I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!
Bonk.